Curtis Grevenens.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Happy Friday to you all. What a beautiful day, and this lovely weather will continue, actually improve as we go through the holiday weekend. 67 right now, some gusts up to 21 miles per hour. It has not been warm. Well, this weekend it will get warmer, go up into the 70s, even the 80s. Most of the state below average again. Look at that, even 49 in Cup Bank, where we're getting some much needed rain, and an east wind. There's a little boundary right here. That's why I've got an east wind and then a northwest wind and a west wind. You can kind of almost see that circulation right there. And the center of circulation is right up over about Shelby, Montana. Helena, I think we're in the clear as far as showers go. I had a few little sprinkles out there. Up around Great Falls, had a little thunderstorm east of town. It's fizzling out. There's some of that wet weather up around Shelby and Cup Bank. If you look closely, you can kind of see the counterclockwise circulation right there. So the center of the low, the eye almost, is right up over the Shelby area. A few showers south the High Line, getting some much needed rainfall. And one lonely thunderstorm out there. It's kind of north of Miles City. There's one moving out of Petroleum County there. The Northeast, not looking very summer-like. A lot of people complaining about the weather up there. It's cold, it's raining, even had a foot of snow on top of Mount Washington. Flood watch, severe thunderstorm watch, red flag warning. Eastern parts of Utah and western Colorado. So here's what will happen this evening. Beautiful nights. Clouds clearing out, a couple of storms, probably see the tops of them if you got a good view off towards the south, looking over at around Three Forks and Bozeman. Tomorrow, I had thunderstorms in the forecast over the last few days, but it's looking mainly dry. There might be a storm building up over the Bridgers or the big belts there, but most of the thunderstorm activity will be in eastern Montana. Mainly clear skies tomorrow night and Sunday. We're going to have mostly sunny, if not perfectly clear skies. What's going on? Typically, you don't see this weather. And eastern Montana, a couple storms, and then into Monday, Memorial Day. Most of the day is beautiful, but could have a couple thunderstorms coming down off of the Continental Divide Monday evening. It's the end of the weekend. A couple of storms around Tuesday, but next week it stays toasty. Will be quite warm next week. Temperatures in the 70s and the 80s. Tonight, 30s and 40s. A stray shower out there, but most of us will be dry. Tomorrow, a couple showers, a little cooler, a few more clouds out in eastern Montana. 73, mostly sunny. Almost 80 on Sunday. Look at Kalispell, Missoula, up into the 80s. A couple isolated thunderstorms, eastern Montana, and then Memorial Day. Late in the day, a few of these big thunderstorms may come down out of the mountains and drift over the lower elevation, so just keep that in mind. And a couple of storms around on Tuesday. All right, here's the 7-day forecast, and a few thunderstorms late this holiday weekend, late Monday evening into Tuesday. And the warmth, look at that, 70s and 80s, all next week.